As soon as I step in the building, you know it's about that.
Hey, what's poppin', guys? It's your girl Nia-Imani, and I am back with another video. If you're new to my channel, welcome. If you're returning, welcome back. Make sure you guys hit that subscribe button right down below because your girl is so close to 1,000 subscribers. So if you guys enjoy fashion, beauty, and lifestyle content, then hit that subscribe button. As you guys can see from the title today, I am about to show you guys a quick, easy, natural back to school makeup routine. It doesn't even have to be for back to school. It could be, you know, for work. This is just something super quick, super easy, gives you that natural look, just so that you can look a little bit alive. And yeah, enough of this chit chat, just keep on watching. Okay, so first I'm using a moisturizer. You can use any type of moisturizer, honestly. This is just my Curology one.
You my rocket, you my perfect picture. Baby, you know I'm tryna kick it with ya. Ain't gotta wait till it gets dark. We get 106 and Park, you be my rock.
Use precisely my brow pencil from Benefit in the number 4.
Baby, I want you. Let them watch ya. Tell them they can tune in. Show you how we do this. I put our love on a billboard. So you just need to look out your window. Show the whole city I'm all yours. Let me put us on display. I'll shout it from the rooftops. I got it. Jump out of a window if you call me. You call me. You call me. Touch your name on my neck, I promise. Girl, I swear I'm obsessed. Whatever you want, girl, it's no problem. Your love's my drug and I'm obsessed with you. Your love's my drug and I'm obsessed with you. Your love's my drug and I'm obsessed with you. You got a hold on me, where you controlling me. Think I might always be so hypnotic. Where you got my heart trap, trap, trap. Take my wallet, fly you all across the map, map, map. Oh yeah, oh yeah. Yes. Rock solid, yeah, you know I'm gon' support ya. Anything you want, girl, I'ma spoil ya. Let them watch ya. Tell them they can tune in. We'll show you how we do this. I put our love on a billboard. So you just need to look.
Go in with 24-hour brow setter by Benefit.
Yours. Let me put us on display. I'll shout it from the rooftops. I got it. Jump out of a window if you call me.
All right. Next, I go in with my Milk Hydro Grip Primer.
Girl, I swear I'm obsessed. Whatever you want, girl, it's no problem. Your love's my drug and I'm obsessed with you.
I had to go in with my Eaze Drop Blurring Skin Tint from Fenty Beauty in the shade 17. Y'all, this right here will give you a beat without looking like you got a beat. But all jokes aside, this product is super, super dope. I love the skin finish. I love how it just makes me look like I just woke up with a perfect face. Also, I am in the shade 17, but in the matte foundation, I am 385.
It's dark. We get 106 and Park, you be my rock, I be your big ticket. I'm tryna show you off, I'm tryna flaunt you. I'm obsessed with you, baby, I want you. Let them watch you, tell them they can tune in. Show you how we do this. I put our love on a billboard. So you just need to look out your window. Show the whole city I'm all yours. Let me put us on display. I'll shout it from the rooftops. I got it. Jump out of a window if you call me.
Next, I go in with Bright Fix Eye Brightening Illuminator by Fenty Beauty, of course. This is the shade Honey Mustard. Y'all know I love a nice bright under eye. Even though this is supposed to be natural, I don't really like things too close to my skin. I just need my eyes, my under eyes to pop. Y'all get it.
Your love's my drug and I'm obsessed with you. Okay. You You got a hold on me, where you controlling me. Think I might overdose, so hypnotic. Where you got my heart trap, trap, trap. Take my wallet, fly you all across the map, map, map. Oh yeah, oh yeah. Rock solid, yeah, you know I'm gon' support ya. Anything you want, girl, I'ma spoil ya. Let them watch ya, tell them they can tune in. We show you how we do this. I put our love on a billboard, so you just need to look out your window. Show the whole city I'm all yours. Let me put us on display. I'll shout it from the rooftops. Jump out of a window if you call. I'll jump out of a window. Touch your name on my neck.
Then I'm going in with my Fenty Beauty Pro Filter setting powder in the shade Honey. Sometimes I use this one, sometimes I use my Morphe one. I just switch it up. Today I decided to, you know, use the Fenty Beauty since every other product was Fenty Beauty. Okay, so then after that, I'm going in with my cream. Oh, hold up. Skirt. Actually, I'm lying to y'all. I'm going in with my Fenty Beauty bronzer in the shade Cocoa Naughty.
We get 106 in Park, you be my rock, I be your big ticket. I'm trying to show you off, I'm trying to flaunt you. I'm obsessed with you, baby.
Okay, so now I am going in with my Fenty Beauty cream. What is this called? Oh, blush. Duh. Girl, get it together. This is the shade Summertime Wine. Honestly, I've grown to really love this product. I've learned a little goes a long way because she's very pigmented if you really put a lot on your finger, your brush, or your beauty blender. So yeah, a little goes a long way with this one. Okay, so next I am going in with one of my favorite nude lipsticks. It's from MAC and it's the Lip Tensity lipstick in the color Toast and Butter. And then I just add, you know, you gotta have a cute little clear lip gloss to go on top to get them lips looking juicy. This one I think is a L'Oreal one. I'm not really too fond of this because it leaves your lips sticky, and it also, like, I have to keep applying it to get those real juicy lips. So you are better off going to the beauty supply store and getting a 99-cent clear lip gloss. As y'all can see, next I'm just using my setting spray, spraying my brush, and then I'm putting a little bit of highlighter on. Y'all don't have to do this step, but y'all know your girl loves a good highlight. This is my Becca Cosmetics highlighter in Topaz.
Let me put us on display. I'll shout it from the roof.
And your girl almost forgot to, you know, bronze her nose. You don't have to do this step, but I just like giving my nose a little bit of color and a little bit of a snatch. All right. It's time to set that face, and I'm using Maven Beauty Rose Water Setting Spray. It's very light. I love this one. And just like that, you are ready to run out your door and start your day, whether it is for school, high school, college, or maybe your job, okay? This is just a quick, simple, easy, few-step look, you know, nothing snazzy. I love this look because it gives you that fresh face beat, but also makes you look alive and well. So yes, thank you guys so much for watching this video. I love you guys so much, and I will see you guys in my next video. Bye.